we going to do today? कुछ तो करते हैं. Now you must have realized what are we going to do today. Tan tan.
Thank you.
Before diving into the latest iteration, let's take a look at the iconic evolution. Let us take a look at Daytona's displacement evolution. T100 T and T100R from 1967 to 1974, both at 490cc, marking Daytona's early years with moderate power. 1000 and 750, 1991 to 1993, 998cc for the 1000 and 749cc for the 750, upping the performance game. 900 Super 3 from 1993 to 1997, 885cc with distinctive Super 3 power across multiple years. 1200 1993 to 1994, 1180cc, the largest displacement of the era for the enthusiast who was seeking extra muscle at that point in time. T595 1997 to 1999, 955cc introducing Daytona's iconic middleweight category. 955i 1999 to 2006, consistent 955cc across years, including the Centennial edition in 2002. 600 2003 to 2005, a 599cc compact model balancing agility with power. And 675 2007 to 2015, the standout 675cc model enjoyed a long successful run with focused performance. Then came the Daytona 765 from 2016 to 2020, 765cc high performance benchmark for modern sport riding, and then the present one 660cc latest 660 version, blending heritage with cutting edge. Let's take a closer look at how the new Daytona looks. Slick lines, clean styling, and that striking poise. It's unmistakably Daytona. Twin LED headlights and a central intake It's like a sports model on a red carpet. Bodywork that flows from tank to tail with zero fluff, just pure minimalistic style. Even the chassis is stunner with a durable finish and race inspired swing arm that could double as art. Cables and hoses are tucked away, keeping the cockpit as neat as your dream garage. Crafted yokes and heel guards add the cherry on top of Daytona's design cake. Time to take a look at the electronics. Ride by wire with sport, road, and rain modes for different throttle responses with traction control. ABS. It gets a wide handlebar with 28.97 inches, which is 736 mm. Engine is liquid cooled inline 3-cylinder 12 valve DOHC, making 95 HP at 1100 250 RPM. Twin sided fabricated steel race inspired swing arm, carries a weight of around 200 kgs. Seat height is around 110 mm, and it also gets a tubular steel perimeter frame.
From a time and place as far away on a sea of these epiphanies on the moors of us.
Now comes the main question: how does it behave? Think of it as the Goldilocks engine, not too thumpy, not too ravey, just right. A perfect blend of twin like grunt with 4-cylinder finesse. Power punch with 95 PS at 11,250 RPM and 69 Nm torque. It's got more juice than your morning espresso. Over 80% of torque is ready to go from 3125 RPM. Talk about instant gratification. That's right. That unique triple note, pure triumph. It's like a symphony conductor for your right hand. Just twist and listen. Whether you're city cruising or hitting the twisties, this engine adapts like it's reading your mind or just loves making you smile. The slick gearbox, on the other hand, and slip and assist clutch make shifting smoother than your best dance moves. The light clutch makes stop and go traffic bearable, while its smooth deaccelerations means no more rear wheel drama when you hit the brakes hard. So what do I like, and what could have been better? The Daytona 660 might not be a purebred super sport, but it delivers a fun spirited ride that honors the legendary Daytona name, offering versatility that hardcore race bikes often lack on everyday roads. Powerhouse triple engine, its character rich triple engine seals the deal, giving it the distinctive edge and performance to proudly wear the Daytona badge. Distinctive styling, it looks more aggressive, slick, and slim, enough to catch an attention on the road. What could have been better? High price tag, a costly maintenance, not a pure super sport. While versatile, it doesn't deliver the hardcore racing edge some might expect from the Daytona name. If you're looking for a bike which honors your expectations in traffic and track, Daytona is for you. Priced at around 12 lakhs on road.